Indian Constitution walum ni zata ka election ne ka ituma pamile ka long raping CSOs being NPF is a third like Athum main keywords na thele Naga issue that like Naga struggle that like and Athum na jada Aruila ka thong kalanali hili hangsang ka ganu campaign ka zalila shegu kut lera thalaga na khamshung hang se ka level playing field malem ne campaign atam hile the saikorali shock tak le thele ka na khihang ai
thalaga ni gang achon ni hangare candidate mati dong ka khamta candidate sir ne ka candidate matili kathum dong pangkrap nyel ga akajina boxing mu se iwa pangla phaila dong ka free nasi kathum pangla phaila khrap mi sarau ja ga candidate paji awi caliber khigli ji chin proof te I cannot tolerate a level playing field each you may phungre nathum aching ni pomlo laga in a thak ngai ka thak in a shir ngai shir na pomlo chu factor aka 1 number 2 thalagan gang nei naga political issue with referendum nei ji ka hangshoklo ji hangro je ka Aruila ing samire ongoing Aruila declare samire e political issue he meaning the glen e thair ko naga political issue with referendum nei he ka sa hian indian la miauru je gi ji ka Aruila tok mire e Tangkhul lak no tok mire I am very clear. I am telling the audience. I am telling my people. Every shik jang ne, very clearly. It's a guts claim ne. Then matu papa hang papa is bashim ning ne. So all of this, I am ready. But naga political issue referendum meaning put in the he. 1. Number 2, UNC Tangkhul Naga long, yang solo long no bingji. Actually, India with parliamentary election within confines of law. UNC Tangkhul Naga long taila Tangkhul wingishan, Naga wingishan, na kwaiwang kapamda. Jang. Athumui constitutionally, athumui rianly. Tangkhul Naga long we rianly. India with election li atam gis interfere salaga. Itum na chang itum ning chang ji ka pangka gis nei da. Wasang lak ko. Kali klam sang ko. Kala any active participation in politics mas hamro ko active member mangwa pa hamro ko hitaro ko mathalak kan ka pied le de rian liva taka active member male pa hamro ju ka pa what does that say? It means active participation in politics mas pa hamro ko electoral politics ligi de taka na active kido participation in electoral politics mas pa hamro ju naklat ta wi rian lin na makanda satle kha iwi Tangkhul Naga long chiwang khaimning na vai iwa Taki you respect kajili leura. Iram la kata respect saura. Tangkhul la kata respect saura. Ngashan wa thaka parliament li ka urli. Iwi ngashan wuivang. Jang assembly li wa urli. Kaje parliament and assembly election ba Tangkhul long na saula. Khani ni ba ma sa pa imrde. No mandate ki, no rian ki. Tangkhul now mingning le dekle. Tangkhul Naga long wi mingning le dekle. Katong ka khraj li khisa within the rian. Rian alungli kapangkaka, lega rian alungli otsara ta satakle. Achi rian go na shanti da punga tune satre jike iwi rian nei. No rian nei yozori. Khri thot wi rian nei. Khro thot wi rian nei. Rian jili phainai salga satre jike Tangkhul shmana urde. Tangkhul ngashan shmana urde. Tangkhul ngashan ngaklo. Tangkhul ngashan ngaklo. Itum na satakle ngashan shman wuivang. Tangkhul wi custom culture dong sashman wuivang satakle ni jika ai Saman salo, hose. Kiwan hito tak sakle tanglo. Kachimning la. India with parliamentary elections, India with assembly elections sang tak leli. National katiyan omning de tum seiko hom tada mo hom ba imrde. Rian mashunglo. Rian ji mashung de saula I Tangkhul Naga kana inganare. I will obey. You obedient Tangkhul Naga lakte. Ka rian ana kan shokai punga hangangai hangro je ka jathaga ka tatra ji. Awi president election radakle, vice president radakle. Kito executive radakle ji rian wa ching ni ka pangka gasern thaka athum na radakle wa rian in ra chang airdrop salaga rian mang mala election notification ma shokla ka pangka ga maning de all by law notification date yang nomination date scrutiny date election date counting date shok sar lelga date time all by law of their own laws which means my laws I Tangkhul Naga sar isum na miada rian ji khamyade 이tum 땅콜 나오고 똥 그는 미아다 세미가 리엔지 페이나임 살 땅콜 나가롱네 지 페이나이 사바이리 지가 제 맘이함래 이tum지 as a 땅콜 이제 맘이함래 마살로 페이나이 referendum ne tangkhul naga tangkhul gitu naga political issue referendum ne jiga tangkhul long na talaga na Hangshoklo cheba not the elections but naga political issue referendum khurara who all are on board jiga ji in a pang khangkre li sangra ji baje je mya gai khaji meaning la Indian parliamentary elections ke ning jang naga assembly election ong ka pick me parliamentary elections ong ka pick me ka pick lo say naga political issue ji chik ka tiaw issue ning say awai hyak Tisangkai, iwi kecang kat cousins, two cousins, koi mali kablang na kaptatai. 1997 li, kani kaptat lako. Wuivang, Tangkhul Wuivang. Itum shilet, ashita sarai lede. Tagakat hada, pailaka na tada, ay, Indian elections li participate sangay sama, menud lera Indiana. Ya, kubayre jang? Kapah hada sang papaire, ideals mang mature, vision mang mature, direction le satwere gji. 힘 당석 아임네 이tumhi committed tangkhulne committed nagane iwi support has been unwavering mga tsirangko yozori iwi miuri iwi thought iwi ram iwi khu iwi family katong witness ne iling sojat teknemi dong witness ne fully firm supporting the Naga political issue conclusion raurno peace at the earliest our people can progress resangorno kuni thotping heta da kuchot mle liruno gji krar tot chochap chodaire de bogza mirin li ringar de look at India we parliamentary elections li rasanga 75 years of Naga political freedom struggle we legacy hi India we parliamentary elections of Manipur outer hili kop sangijla emam yamne heka ka pikne iwi Naga issue je hili hakmai it is bigger than this don't belittle it itumui contributions itum shim kur thisangkai athumui chattakle thannaga chattakle sarna taga awa khrana thannaga yak ngalang talaga saran ngalang shimanal graga NPF political party ne kata hiji Naga legitimate right ra khurdwa political party de I am more committed I know 100 times over athuni committed same khar heda da minna munawlaga totally la da manghan ka thwe joga da minna munaw chipat munawlaga ma samr de khutlai sing ga chattakle raimi bing athumi tulim ta janglo mata jang pai mane athum politician ne ma thisam gwaiwang akhwasa gwaiwang simkuli semka gwaiwang chitup ne kata chili wak tom clay heart and soul milga chatlak takle ne sai shapai re iwi thot chochap chodai re changaning ghui mi gi ritlak chang le de hili manipur tam pak na mayang ka tong na hewa ka shenga tangkhul ne de ili identify saira loga yu mi ne li kapum dakle ya yu ning saksa yo sorry thanga Hangshoklo sei hangmilaklo Alfred ka ashawa ka katong he yuli yorgazamine hanglo ina chain khangji chini yorgazamine ka heda the UNC ne Indian parliamentary election li consensus what consensus India we parliamentary elections ne ukhul we assembly constituency now khangning jilila tukshang tukta shaushang shauta iwi yurji jiwang lakla sei itum katong we contribution ishamana shok mega contribution ke tenom nim kho tangkul thot kedong nang haning lo ama khar ring le kho angkala tem ring le kho angkala how ring le kho ishawana sarami kai wang han lo tangkul thot kedong la chi nang dak le ne shabai re chodai re tangkul miur chodai re kata ti thum shina chingri yen pa mi de thum thoda kane miura kane khok ka sa da chat chane gi ji kyuang ni thum shili atam is a victim ai samya okla se masalo ya masaba imne ngahan lo Alfred Chiakha Arthur ne kisara migle Naga political issue nguchon gamang chon klanglo hangi je ili pausa mangsar lelga ka chunggang chone oja Arthur na ama khrling an ga amai tharwa takang chone khangchon ju wangla 2000 li ishawali de crack mikhai 2000 election 2002 ishamali tu khulga nomai thrum keng sakla kari hertami ishamai america nungcham kari le hertami tuknarai bunga 2-3 days tuknal ga nomai thrum keng sakla chu hosok 2007 election is there khani li tu khuli 2011-12 in rang ning lui isha chonli tu khuilui isha wana saka mi khai ya wa khran la chang chang laga ashu chang dak le ka tong na ojar thar na sami khai amei thar na sami khai ka chak kap na ga yuli le sha shim ko hang la ko ashu khomora na we are still that same family katio na na deviation lem ko itum sia taga chak ka pha sami khai sim kurli ta sami ran la masaran ne yozori tangkhul ne heba phap tara nai re taran mi re Kuyon kung ilit lega tangkhuli phom yolo in khang ais kapasim kurni bashi chawlo ka contribution itum shishim kurni Mira gai hili. I don't need a certificate from anybody to say I'm tangkhul. I tangkhul ne I shangshak ne jigi ji kipa gweni certificate ta kam sam no I awai na hai me dik ne. Ini heritage me dik ne na la chi papam ne. Chattak le tangkhul naw ko tong gai awai na hai mi sarte India na khmilam ning ne. Nobody tangkhul yun la khmim ning ne. Iwi klat tawi awai na hai mi ne. Iwi awai na hai me dik le iwi shan iwi hereditary right chi. Nobody has the right to tell me na tangkhul ga ninga muning ne machi bai murde. Jen achi hikta jangchara tam thanili NPF li sangni jam Alfred li shimera kada say wuivang where am I found one thing in a party congress li pam degli athuni li pangkhrapawe hili muyawe hili yonawe ali she khudawe ali re khrekawe jen amam tu shoklar thuye amangrar thuye akamang le hanglo malim ko ina kamachuk li ma shungkhar ina siak sali ma shungkhar le lega mi ku monda limit li lewge da masa shokrar la pai kaina salang ji walungli achira shungda yu rani yu shakine one dot yu party ni lim khamrang tage yu party ni lim khamla satlega ili saruno da free hand milga chansak te lalung jili hak mai khar gi party na in example kitina ok mi gai acha kum ishiwui Nagaland chief minister ni furio you know ivali kyashilak a towering figure Naga politics la hak mai kap gi alakho 3 times CM swearing sai 4 time minister akobar sai which means 7 times are executive ka pungar sako ala 2014 we elections li lok sabha election ning laga a Delhi kai chang awi Delhi we ka takle journey ji kya successful sakle Naga public ling hanu cheba ik kumang mre awi limitation ki ina khamang hangbe all his strengths iwi strength ka tong ga ngurum la awi strength akhlilam ka sumko riau changlia the them la them mai thangmai la thangmai mai seniority la ale mai political wisdom la awili lesara power la awili lera state whole Nagaland state nali unanimously ka tomdle no opposition chang 2014 week ka tam chanji entire Nagaland state na tomko TRZ lengyan semi laga whole state opposition less nali ka tom laga really parliament chokai ana Naga political issue wi matang hili floor li pung khaim tuyawe punga kham tuyawe jen sum tiano mang na thei jang na sei malek jang de wuivang athang in the gang India have a ainen semne set laws ain sem kai alung hili third sari semal gale de alung hili ain hili set law jawgi da in a one member MP awi taknar ji chi mamane rioi ko choi CM rioi ko choi one member MP amang ka Manipur NPF ka sanja ani khni ka Manipur la thangson ka jawgi da amang awgi da one member MP awgi da ava 3 times CM ne 4 time minister ne ava senior ne jan alicho pongkhai myose rule no myal ka it is prohibited rules le certainly ka no you know strength your collective strength in the house juat should no atam khmin da parliament lim tuigi chi taka rio wan dang da la chili ka laga awi limitation masa ka pai chi rules na law na govern sawo jen ale chili towering figure sada kal ga chili kasang ga chingum mati awe atam ashmanau de he realized akhala ta phning khuyau gi da awe atam Nagaland state ya na chung gang chon mi pal ga lek sabaji masala Delhi kal ga wastage of his time and atum electorate atam shmanar jawgi da hanung laga 2018 Nagaland state elections ungzam gara CM second term ra tar 5 times CM sak jangar ko al hanung why I think in Hangola, excuse me, very clear. Our limitation akamang kleji, ali party backing makle. Itum shiva chimning laga. Even Congress party ki jangda. Maximum time ruling sang khola sang khwere Congress na. Opposition li pam hola. Congress party li pam dagle hi in Manipur assembly li 1 hour at the stretch. Manipur assembly with history day that normal budget discussion. You know, controversial bills concept khangte ne kan normal budget discussion ji pung akhang thor till 1 in the morning discussion wade ituma tam jile it continued till 1 grilling the government trying to find accountability with the government till 1 in the morning discussion why niya sailung taka Aruila gang parliament ka jong go it's time I need this floor time ilimi phungrai you party ling game chi lak mreya ngai chi vai scope male mne iwi priorities lately in hangran ot lately Manipur very controversial kind of takshida konzalaga mai chui dik lei he ka address samra da sapung rai long standing naga political issue in a conclusion Mira jimning ne but heva ma talagan khurjan festil ga hi ga dagi jigle India nak sai khigle gi hi jang hangi ji su group sui mai te ba shi underground lara talks hopo gaira yengno mathang mi tong ra sanga isina 1997 ni hopo ga Aruila la conclusion later lately ta thaka parliamentary you need a good 1 hour a good 1.5 hour atamji kibana mi really laws na mi it's just the law I cannot say that I'm passionate about my people let me speak for 1 hour mami lak bre mami bai ne the law prohibits masa pai laga thaka in a gang law na kyang issue wak paliwa if collective eu party na I know to what extent I can command in my party today kya khanan na washung bai in the thait lilga itumli kya khanan nang nadle I thait linga nalak tle de leadership nang nadle de ilga itumli asset na kwer de party ni itumli asset na de khide kya tam chanli if I cannot use this for my people wuivang mrau ni jing tehan sa tar daru hi state ak we in charge hewak ba thyo go 2 times ili party na assignment mer ini mu khim de because iwi miur they are more important to me jena chi hang dak le hi party khangdeli walaga NPF li walaga this party li walaga khuni thot na pai kharnobing la pai chikta kido misguided information mishit sangro aru ga hangi India elections ne including NPF they're bound by the constitution bound saka walung liver whatever is permissible iwa chatlak lekho i sat lekho tadha i mahan mre I saran I basara da chatak leli ai a congress lipa mai da a masam raum nei muchi bai la aru rashungda chungme kap tak sa inda Manipur assembly la thaka in parliament chungme kap ta wasagi jila chance khuila isa sa babum ra say I've already proved once that I am capable then I can deliver chidaiga ili kasang heva it is just a follow up action of what I have done in the past chimade chidaugi the party we context by a question by heva arise msang saknai nei kala ithumui voters le dekle khuni thot le dekle kharnaw le dekle tongkli hi confusion ya malelu malai tha thalu chi hangai